Hey guys, Richard here from the School of Nomads. So in today's review I want to go through UGen Bots, which is a new product by Brendan Mason, Diego Hernando, due to be released on Wednesday the 13th of May at 9 AM Eastern. So I'm going to take you through the whole product. I'm going to give you my opinion based on many years online buying products just like this one. I'm going to let you know why I think that this is going to bring you no value whatsoever and should be avoided. So these reviews are based on my own opinion. So obviously I'll leave it up to you to decide whether you think this is going to be of value to you. So just before we start, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new reviews. And if you want to know how I build an online business, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So in today's review, I'll go through the product itself. We'll go into the members area. I'll have a brief look at the sales page. There's a couple of things I want to point out on the sales page. I'll take you through the upgrades. I'll tell you what's not so good about this product, and I'll tell you what's good about this product, and then we'll kind of wrap it up with a summary. So just a very brief overview of the sales page itself. They're saying this is automated niche sites. It's the world's first robot content builder. You're going to get totally passive income. It's 100% beginner friendly. It's hands free and it's automated and done for you. So let's go ahead and look straight into the software and kind of check this out and see what they're actually giving us here. So here I am over in the software. So this is what you'll first see. You'll see a 6-minute video here, which is pretty much the only training for this. And essentially what this is a blog builder with a content spinner attached. They have PLR articles in this system that you can add to your blog, and then you can use the content spinner to actually change the articles and make them unique. That's essentially what this product is. So if I just come down to the actual blog section here, I can go ahead and create a new blog. So I do this very quickly. So I'm going to come along and say, this is my blog, and the author name is me. You can put any kind of blog color in the background apparently, so I'll just use something bright. Your affiliate link, you can put whatever affiliate link in there. You can put some anchored text in for your affiliate link there, and then you can put some script in there like a pixel code for things like Google Analytics or whatever, so we don't need to do that. We'll enable an About BK page and a contact page. You could put your details in there, and then you just put save and publish, and that's it. That's my blog done. All right, so we'll go in there now and just viewed the blog. That's what my blog would look like. So it's like a super simple WordPress site. So I'm going to jump back over. Now, if I want to add content to the blog, I come along here and I just edit it. And then I add articles. Now, this is where I start finding my articles, right? This is their database of basically PLR articles. There's over 5,000 articles in here. And there's all sorts of different keywords on here with these articles. So if I just come in here and put something like money, I want to find articles related to money. And you will come down here and it'll just give me a bunch of articles with that keyword somehow attached. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to press search on there. It's giving me childcare programs, granite exporter. It's giving me some a wireless thermostat. Not quite sure what they're going to do with money, but let's just add a few of these, right? Let's just build our blog up. Okay, so they're all added. If I just come back to my blog now, I can manage my blog. I can go find that blog. Right, my blog is here now. I'm going to view this. These are the articles that I actually added. So if I go and have a look at this article, are high definition cameras worth extra money? Right, let's start reading this article and see what it actually says. In case it arrives to recording your kids increasing up events and also additionally family activities, a traditional digicam can possibly just proceed as a result far. Okay, well, I'm not reading any further. Clearly that's gibberish. So this is going to be an article that's completely gibberish, right? And there would be my so-called monetization at the bottom here, this affiliate link there. So that's clearly very low quality article there that this has gone ahead and given me. Now what I can do apparently is come back and actually respin this article. So I'm going to go and do that. So I come to this one here, and so to respin the article, you come across and you look at where your articles are and you can edit them, and then if I say generate new version, it'll generate a new version of this for me because this is a content spinner. This is the robot bit. Now it says this is a unique robot content spinner. Well, there's loads of content spinners out there and they're all equally rubbish. So this isn't a unique robot thing, is it? So let's spin that and have a look. So I've just spun that a couple of times. Anyone who has now had to be able to shell out for personal schooling, or who has had mother and father who wanted creative techniques to shell out for university, has now possibly gathered aid from personal... Oh, you know, guys, this is just rubbish. This is a piece of software that's generating really, really poor blog content and a spinner that's, again, really, really bad quality. It's giving you complete gibberish. If I go back to my blog again, I'm going to look at the actual blog itself. So you've got this header section here. There's nowhere to monetize this apart from these affiliate links. So there's nowhere to add any kind of monetization on the side panel here as far as adverts or whatever. There's no kind of header you can put in here. This is like a really, really poor version of WordPress. Now, this is very, very bad quality. And because that's it. Now, if I look at the traffic, I look at the instant traffic they're saying. The instant traffic is basically, if I just click on my blog here, I can share my blog to these social media sites like Blogger and Facebook and Dig. But guys, I've said this before in reviews. If you've got no following on social media, if you haven't got groups, if you haven't got people that follow you actively on social media, I don't care how much you share on these platforms, you will not get anybody seeing the content. You're just not going to get it. It doesn't matter where you share, and almost every product these days has instant traffic from social media sites. And just try it. It doesn't exist. Unless you have a following, nobody's going to click on your particular content, whether it be a GIF, whether it be a blog article, nothing. It's not going to happen. So this is gibberish as well. This is not instant traffic, isn't a thing. So you can upgrade to Pro apparently here. There's done for you blogs here, so they're going to be done for you the same quality as that main blog is. It's just not good. This is not a good product, guys. I don't know how they got UGen bots out of this. I don't know where that's come from. That's just a completely picked out title because there's nothing new gen about this. This is a pretty poor content spinner, which most of them are, with a very, very, very dumbed down version of WordPress. So I'm just going to pop over to the sales page and have a quick look on the sales page and see how this is actually equating. So if I look at the sales page, automated niche sites generate passive income, very, very poor. Apparently you can do them in multiple niches, but you can have the same quality in multiple niches. If I just scroll down, I did notice something else. So here's some of the kind of blogs that they're saying are giving them their inspiration of these niche sites. So this site that you've just seen is going to give you the same style of blog as these. Now look at these blogs. I just picked out a few of these off this sales page, nowhere else. So this is It's a Lovely Life. Look at the quality of this blog. Images, lots of different images, lots of different monetization on it, all different things on here. They've got a chat function. Car advice, again, monetization here, lots and lots of massive images, really nice layout. Show Me the Yummy, beautiful website, scrolling. And guys, you can do this yourself, right? You can do this yourself by just getting WordPress on a hosting provider. So again, this is Busy Budgeter. All of these are the ones that they're saying are earning a fortune online, but you can see why. They're lovely layouts. They've got calls to action here. They've got free downloads here. They've got lots and lots of different things. That compared to that, it's just another world of website. It's really, really poor quality, guys. You know, and just on the point, you can do this yourself. This is SiteGround. Now, I'm not going to leave any affiliate links to SiteGround or anything in the description. Don't worry about that. I'm just showing you the one I use is SiteGround. I'm based in the UK, so it's $2.95. I think it's about $3 if you're based in the US. And you can get a starter plan for $3, free WordPress, and you're done. I think you pay $14 for this. I'll check in a minute. Plus, the first upgrade was $37. You just bought those two things. That's $50 odd. That's a year's worth of hosting. Plus, you get free WordPress on here. And that WordPress would be much more powerful. It comes with all the different plugins, all of the different Yoast SEO type plugins. All of that stuff would be included and you'd be able to add everything. On this one, you can't actually add anything on this blog. There's nothing to add. Again, if I come back to create the blog, there's no way to add a plugin. There's no way to add anything on the sidebar, and there's no way to add anything. So it's just rubbish. Sorry guys, it's not good. So I jump back over my slides. It was $12.95, guys, not $14, but $12.95. OTO's $37 for the Platinum Edition. OTO 2 is $197 for 20 auto blogs. No, you wouldn't want them, not for $197. OTO 3 is $197 for the multi-million-dollar system. OTO 4 is $197 for unlimited traffic. And OTO 5 is $167 for the license rights to sell UGen bots. So I'll just give you some of my what's not so good. So you can see for yourselves, this is a really poor quality blog and an atrocious blogging platform. It's you just go and get WordPress, guys. I can't say that enough. Go and get a hosting package that's cheap and buy WordPress. If you want to start a niche blog, if you want articles like this, just go and buy some. If you can't write them yourself, go to one of a million PLR websites and buy some PLR and just reword it. You know, there's loads of ways you can do this without doing this, going onto this platform. The traffic solution doesn't exist again. It's a social media traffic solution, doesn't exist. The content is so low quality, it doesn't even make sense. The words don't make sense. And any of these content spinners, you have to rewrite them anyway. Once you do a content spinner, they're so gibberish, you have to rewrite them. You might as well just rewrite them in the first place. Sales page is awfully misleading again. It's just all over the place. In fact, there was something on the sales page I kind of want to show you quickly. Now, I might be being a little bit facetious, but these 3 key points are exactly what you'll be if you buy this piece of software. You'll be wasting your time, you'll be wasting your money, and you'll be waiting for results. They've actually done their own review. And it's not self-hosted. So something I didn't mention as well, that if you go back to the actual website and have a look, these aren't self-hosted blogs, they're on their own domains. So again, you've got no control over this. These vendors will be gone, long gone by this time next month. They release new products all of the time. They'll be long gone, and this platform will suddenly die. And if you have managed to build anything on it, it'll be gone. So always avoid non-self-hosted platforms. What's good? The software works. So whatever it's supposed to do, it does spin the content, and it does build some form of very, very poor blog. So guys, just in summary, I'm going to give this 1 star, only because the software does work, as far as, you know, it does produce something on a web page, and that's about it. As if you're a beginner marketer and you're expecting to get anything out of this, I'm afraid you're not gonna. So I would advise you to leave it alone and not purchase it, and you know, go and find something that you're actually going to learn how to build a business online with. So that's kind of my summary. Guys, hope you enjoyed this review. They're not always this negative, but when I see products like this, I can't let it go. It's very, very poor. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new reviews. And if you want to learn how to build an online business, go ahead and hit the link in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.